Consultant. Today we have brought you another financial model. This one is social media platform Excel financial model. As you can see over here, it includes all these sheets in it, as well as it goes for 5 year or up to 60 months assumptions, as well as financial statements and financial analysis are also included up to 60 months or 5 years. The page cells, as you can see over here, tells about the input cells, whereas the gray cells are formula cells, and the light gray cell font tells you about the helping cells. Coming towards the input sheets, as you can see over here, gives you the equity and debt financing assumptions, the revenue and cost assumptions, users and marketing budget assumptions, as well as the capex and opex of the company and the working capital assumptions of the company. Then comes the revenue analysis. The revenue analysis tells you about the new visitors or subscribers and their revenue generated from them and the cost of service on these revenue streams. Then comes the marketing budget. This tells you about the visitors that are being generated by the company through the marketing from different platforms. Then comes the startup summary. The startup summary includes the total funding and total expense of the company. This is also shown in the graphical context. It also tells you about the total expenses such as variable cost and fixed cost of the company in graphical context and in calculations, as well as it also tells about the assets, liabilities, and equity of the company and the total additional funding that would be required by the company in the first year of functioning. Then comes the financial statements. The financial statements, first of all, includes the income statement, which tells you the net income of the company in 5 years, coming towards yearly and monthly basis. As you can see over here, it goes on the monthly basis towards 60 months. Then comes your cash flow statement, which tells you about the cash flow of the company on yearly and monthly basis. Then comes the balance sheet, which tells you about the assets and liabilities and equity of the company on the monthly basis. Coming towards the financial analysis includes the break-even sales and the company valuation. Break-even analysis, which gives you the break-even sales of the company. Then comes the company valuation, which tells you about the WACC and the expected equity percentage that can be offered to the investors. It also tells you about the value of the company at the year 0 and the burn rate and analysis and minimum investment that would be required. Then comes the sensitivity analysis, which gives you about the sensitivity on actual optimistic and pessimistic of the company. And then comes the KPIs and ratios. It also gives you the payback period as well. I just missed that. It also gives you the KPIs and ratios of the company, that are profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, efficiency ratios, and other. Then comes the CAC and CLV analysis. This tells you about the customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value of the company for the next 5 years. The working sheet includes, the working sheet includes the employee payroll as well as operating expenses, depreciation schedule, asset calculations, and loan schedule, as well as the working capital. All these calculations are being used in financial statements or financial analysis, which are being calculated on a monthly basis. Last sheet includes the dashboard, which gives you the KPIs of the company, as well as shows all the information in graphical context, as you can see over here. However, these graphical contexts all shows you will help you in making financial decisions much easily and efficiently. That's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe us. That's it.